Did you know you've been eating some of your favorite foods all wrong? Prepare to have your mind blown as we reveal the top 5 foods you've been munching on incorrectly this whole time. Let's start with everyone's favorite curved fruit, bananas. You might think you've mastered the art of peeling, but did you know monkeys have been laughing at us this whole time? That's right, folks. Turns out, we should be opening bananas from the bottom, not the stem. Just pinch the black tip and peel. No more struggling with stubborn stems or mushy banana tops. Next up, cupcakes. You've probably been eating these sweet treats the same way since your first birthday party. But what if I told you there's a game-changing cupcake hack that'll rock your world? It's called the cupcake sandwich trick. Simply cut your cupcake in half horizontally and flip the top upside down onto the bottom half. Voila! A perfectly proportioned cupcake sandwich with frosting in every bite. Your inner child is doing a happy dance right now, isn't it? Now, let's talk mangoes. These juicy fruits can be a pain to cut, but not anymore. Here's a mango cutting hack that'll change your life. Cut the mango in half around the pit, then score the flesh in a grid pattern without cutting through the skin. Push the skin inside out, and you've got perfect mango cubes ready to eat. It's like magic, but with fruit. Sushi lovers, listen up. You've been making a crucial mistake with your soy sauce. Instead of dunking your entire roll into that little dish, try this. Flip your sushi upside down and dip only the fish side into the soy sauce. This way, you get the perfect amount of salty goodness without overpowering the delicate flavors of the rice and seaweed. Your taste buds will thank you. Last but not least, let's tackle the age-old debate of how to eat pizza. Forget about knife and fork or picking it up with your hands. The real pros know about the pizza folding technique. Take your slice, fold it in half lengthwise, and enjoy. This method creates a crispy, structural support that prevents the dreaded pizza flop. Plus, it makes eating on the go a breeze. You're welcome, New Yorkers. So there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing food hacks that'll revolutionize your eating game. Next time you're chowing down on these foods, remember these tricks and impress your friends with your newfound culinary wisdom. Who knew we've been doing it wrong all this time? Now go forth and eat like a pro,